Well, morning from MC Family Homestead. Some say it's Veterans Boulevard. Kelly says it's Tip Picker Lane. Doing a little maintenance on the generator this morning. Changed the oil. I found the grounding part of here. It goes the ground wire down to the ground. Got to tighten it up because if you ain't grounded, you ain't right. So come along with us today, and I'll show you some other stuff we're doing or done today, and have a good time. So I just gotta tighten this one up here a little bit. Because if your ground ain't tight, and you got for the generator, and you get the ground strap going down to the ground to your grounding rod, it ain't gonna do no good. It'll short out your generator. So you want to make sure that don't happen. You got to find a wrench. And also, we found out you can't get regular oil anymore in the little quarts, like your SAE oil and all that. Now it's all synthetic. So as long as you drain all the oil out of say like your generator, make sure the oil is all drained out. You can change it over to synthetic, and it won't bother. It'll help last. It'll last longer. Of course, it's metric. There, we got that tight. I'm gonna put this nut board back in there so I won't lose it. Got the panel back on. And it's good if you can teach yourself or get somebody to help you out on stuff like that, like this, because you're out in the middle of nowhere. You have to do it yourself anyway, so it's good to have some mechanical background. It's common sense. That's kind of hard to find nowadays too. But it'll take me a little bit longer on this, so I'm gonna pause this for a minute. Get back with you. See ya. All right, thank you.
Yeah.
So this is where we set our generator. We got this little table to cover it up out of the sunshine and stuff like that. I got that grounding rod right there. It comes over here and hooks into this right here, and that takes all, in case you got a surge, electric surge or something like that, it'll take it and put it in the ground. If you don't, it can surge out the generator and fry the inside of the generator. You don't want that to happen, of course. But Patches, why are you taking that paper? Huh? Goats will eat anything. They eat anything. But that's basically it for that. I change the oil once a week, once every other week. Keep it clean, but put synthetic in it, you won't have to change it as much. So y'all keep them straight. Be good. I'll show you some more stuff here in a little while, or on another video. And it's getting hot already, and it's only, I don't know, 8 o'clock, 8:30. It's supposed to be probably 110 index today. So yeah, I gotta get this going, this generator going, so probably around 1 or 2 we can turn it on and get the AC. You've got a little AC window unit right there. Put it on low. It keeps it down about 80 or so inside the cabin, so that's enough. Yeah, that's good. See y'all later.